Unit transient response as a unit, but we see topic of response with sinusoidal input source. Oral circuit problem. Circuit problem this class we see at Man Engineering welcomes you all. Transient response answers in oral circuit with response with sinusoidal source. Not transient response. Response with sinusoidal source we find out. Question. A series oral circuit R is 50 ohm and L is 0.2 Henry has a sinusoidal voltage source V 150 sine 500 t plus 5. Apply at a time t is equal to 0. Find the correct response. Question given sinusoidal voltage source. So we apply response with sinusoidal source formally in oral circuit. Then find the current response. Solutions. We already know formula or I of t plus L d of t divided by dt is equal to V of t. That is oral circuit formula. Take complementary function. Auxiliary equation is R plus LD into I is equal to 0. From auxiliary equations, find capital G values minus R divided by L. I of t transients we already known formula oral circuit is A e power minus R divided by LT. Previous classes I explained. Formally oral circuit response with sinusoidal source. It is steady state S equal to VT gets divided by root of R square plus omega L square into sine of bracket omega t plus pi minus tan inverse of omega L divided by R bracket. Put to record values in this formula. Oral circuit response with sinusoidal formula. V is 150, omega is 500, L is 0.2 and R is 50. That is given in data in question. Omega is obtained from V formula, that is V is Vm sine omega t plus 5. So omega is 500. V is Vm is 150. So put in that record values in IT of steady state value formula, that is total response. It's sinusoidal source in oral circuit formula. Total responses obtained. I of t is A e power minus R divided by L t plus 1.3416 sine 500 t minus 63.4. Solve above equations. Find out the total response. Apply the total response when S t is equal to 0. We find out A value for this reason. I of t is put t is equal to 0 and above equations. Find out A value is 1.119. Put above formula. Total response formula. I of t is 1.119 e power minus R divided by L t plus 1.34 sine into 500 t minus 63 point. That is total response with sinusoidal source in oral circuit. Transient response analysis. Anna University syllabus 3rd NSI taken class latest class 2026 year class 86 to 105. Kindly see at Man Engineering Lake. Man Engineering. Thank you.